Freelancing is booming. In our last video, we promised to talk about making money on Upwork. Let's dive in. Welcome back. And Upwork is the place to be for talented individuals like you. Whether you're a video editor with an eye for captivating visuals or a graphic designer who breathes life into brands, Upwork offers a platform to connect with clients worldwide. But with thousands of freelancers vying for attention, how do you stand out and build a thriving freelance career? This guide will equip you with the essential strategies to navigate Upwork successfully. We'll explore the key elements of creating a standout profile, crafting winning proposals, specializing in lucrative niches, setting competitive rates, and optimizing your visibility to attract high-paying clients. The journey to freelance success on Upwork requires effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can unlock a world of opportunities and achieve your freelancing goals. Get ready to unleash your potential and turn your skills into a sustainable income stream. Let's dive into the world of Upwork and discover how to make it work for you. Your Upwork profile is your digital storefront, and just like a physical storefront, it needs to be eye-catching and inviting. A compelling profile is crucial for attracting potential clients and securing those coveted invitations to interview. Start with a catchy headline that highlights your expertise and unique selling points. Instead of a generic video editor, opt for something like award-winning video editor specializing in engaging YouTube content. This immediately tells potential clients what you do and how you can add value to their projects. Next, craft a compelling overview that goes beyond listing your skills. Focus on the benefits you offer clients and how your expertise can solve their problems. Use a client-centric approach, addressing their pain points and demonstrating how you can help them achieve their goals. Don't forget to showcase your best work in your portfolio. Choose projects that align with your target niches and highlight your skills effectively. High-quality images, videos, and case studies that showcase your process and results will leave a lasting impression. Remember, your profile is your first opportunity to make a strong impression. Take the time to craft a profile that accurately reflects your skills, experience, and value proposition, and watch as the invitations to interview start rolling in. Submitting a generic proposal is a surefire way to get lost in the sea of applicants. To win projects on Upwork, you need to craft personalized proposals that demonstrate a genuine understanding of the client's needs and how your skills can help them achieve their goals. Before you start writing, thoroughly research the job post and the client's company. Identify their pain points, goals, and target audience. This information will help you tailor your proposal to address their specific needs. Start with a personalized greeting that addresses the client by name and mentions something specific from their job post to show you've done your homework. Briefly introduce yourself and highlight your relevant experience. Next, explain how your skills and experience directly align with the project requirements. Provide specific examples of how you've solved similar problems for other clients and quantify your achievements whenever possible. End your proposal with a clear call to action, inviting the client to schedule a call or message you to discuss the project further. Don't be afraid to inject some personality into your writing, but always maintain a professional tone. Section 4. Niching down. Your path to expertise. While it might be tempting to position yourself as a jack of all trades, specializing in a specific niche can significantly increase your earning potential on Upwork. Niching down allows you to target your marketing efforts, establish yourself as an expert, and command higher rates. As a video editor, consider specializing in high-demand areas like short-form video ads for social media, explainer videos, corporate training videos, YouTube content creation, or real estate video editing. Graphic designers can find lucrative niches in brand identity design, social media graphics, website design, UI/UX design, or motion graphics. Choosing a niche requires careful consideration of your skills, interests, and market demand. Research different niches and identify areas where your expertise is in high demand. Once you've chosen your niche, focus on building a portfolio that showcases your skills in that area and tailor your Upwork profile to attract clients seeking those specific services. Remember, niching down doesn't limit your options. It focuses your expertise and allows you to become a go-to expert in a specific field. Section 5. Setting your rates, getting paid what you're worth. One of the most common questions freelancers have is, how much should I charge? Setting your rates can feel daunting, but it's crucial to price your services competitively while reflecting your experience and value. Start by researching the market rates for freelancers with similar skills and experience in your niche. Consider your location and the client's budget when determining your rates. Remember that clients are often willing to pay a premium for high-quality work and proven experience. Instead of solely focusing on hourly rates, consider offering package deals or value-based pricing. This approach emphasizes the value you bring to the table rather than the time spent on a project. Quantify the benefits of your work, such as increased engagement, higher conversion rates, or improved brand awareness. As you gain experience and positive client reviews, don't be afraid to gradually increase your rates. Your pricing should evolve alongside your skills and expertise. Regularly reassess your pricing strategy to ensure you're charging what you're worth and attracting the right clients. Remember, pricing yourself correctly is crucial for your financial success as a freelancer. Don't undervalue your skills and time, but also be realistic about market rates and client budgets. Thank you for being here with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Our comment section is always open for your opinions. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends.